Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak dinner. First, let's talk about selecting the perfect cut. For a truly delicious experience, choose a well-marbled steak like a ribeye or New York strip. Aim for a thickness of at least 1.5 inches. This allows for a beautiful sear without overcooking the interior. Good marbling ensures a tender and flavorful result every time. Proper preparation is key to a fantastic steak. Always bring your steak to room temperature for about 30 minutes before it hits the pan or grill. This promotes even cooking. Next, pat it thoroughly dry with paper towels. Moisture prevents a good crust. Finally, season generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper on all sides. Now for the cooking. Heat a cast iron skillet until it's smoking hot. Add a high smoke point oil, then sear your steak for 2 to 3 minutes per side to develop a beautiful crust. For thicker cuts, transfer it to a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven to finish. Aim for an internal temperature of 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect medium rare. The final, crucial step is resting your steak. After cooking, transfer it to a cutting board and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, resulting in a much more tender and flavorful bite. Slice your steak against the grain and serve it immediately with your preferred side dishes for a complete and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.